Guys, it's Kate here, back with AV Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your Cricut. So first you're going to need a window cleaner, Windex. It has to be window cleaner because I found that that's the only thing that really gets the grime off the mats. Then you're going to need a scraper. I got mine on Amazon. You could even really use a card. And some clean paper towel. So here are my mats. They're disgusting, they're dirty. I do use them a lot, pretty much daily, so they get a lot of use. And instead of continuously buying new mats when they lose their stick, I found this to be the best way to clean them and make them sticky again. So what you want to do is spray your mats down with your window cleaner, and I mean spray them, fully saturate them, make them soaking wet, and spray every bit of them. You want them fully covered with window cleaner. Then you're going to let them sit on a flat surface. I usually let mine sit for 10 minutes. You can sometimes get away with 5 minutes, but 10 minutes is what I definitely recommend. So after your mats have soaked for 10 minutes, you want to start scraping. I scrape all the gunk to the middle of the mat and then I wipe it. As you can see, the glass cleaner is taking off like sticker paper remnants, old vinyl, hair, everything. It takes off everything. It's the best method, I think, out of all the methods, and I've tried a lot, so window cleaner is the way to go. So I scrape everything to the middle and wipe it with a piece of paper towel, and it's done. I usually hang them up to dry, and after they're dry, they're like brand new. They're just as sticky as when you first bought them. This helped you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.